Beauticians have been mixing coffee with Nivea cream for years. It's a beauty trick that can easily compete with expensive skincare products. Although it might sound unusual at first, just one try is enough to see how well it works. You'll save both time and money. Simply add 2 tablespoons of Nivea cream to a small bowl. It makes your skin feel soft, supple, and pleasant to the touch. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. The fine grains gently smooth the surface and give your skin a more even look. The caffeine and polyphenols in coffee help improve its appearance, making it feel smoother. Finally, add a tablespoon of honey. Honey contains enzymes that help gently remove rough layers and leave the skin looking more refined. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, even texture. This special blend works wonderfully as a face scrub or mask. Use it twice a week, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by the results. Your skin will look fresh, radiant, and well cared for. Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products. It works like an iron for wrinkles. Look 10 years younger in just 1 minute. Made only with natural ingredients you already have at home. In a large mug, add 1 tablespoon of chamomile. It has anti-inflammatory properties, soothes irritation, and reduces swelling. Pour boiling water over it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Once the infusion cools slightly, strain it. Add 2 teaspoons of oat flour to the mug. Rich in antioxidants, it also soothes and gently tightens the skin. Next, add 4 teaspoons of the brewed chamomile. The next ingredient is olive oil. It moisturizes, smooths, and provides the skin with vitamins A and E. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, slightly creamy consistency. Apply the finished mask to your hands, neck, and face. Focus especially on areas where wrinkles are visible. Leave it on for 20 minutes. That's enough time for the skin to absorb all the goodness. Afterward, rinse the mask off with warm water. Enjoy nourished, smooth, wrinkle-free skin. This is a natural way to look younger. No expensive products or treatments needed. Try it out and see how quickly your skin regains its glow and firmness. Put 1 aluminum foil ball under your pillow before bed. It takes 1 minute, and the difference is bigger than you think. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It absorbs odors and helps freshen the air. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt soaks up moisture and helps the mixture hold its shape. Now take a lime and use the zest. Grate it finely. It has a strong, fresh scent and makes the whole space feel cleaner. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. It gives an intense, minty freshness, and its thick texture helps everything bind together and keeps the scent lasting longer. Then add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender calms you down, helps you relax, and makes it easier to fall asleep. Mix everything well until it turns into one firm mass. Shape it into one large ball. Wrap it tightly in aluminum foil so it keeps its shape. Poke a few small holes in the foil so the scent releases evenly. Place it under your pillow and leave it overnight. This little ball can make your sleep feel deeper and better. The lavender aroma helps you unwind and drift off more easily. You can also use the same ball in the toilet. Drop one into the tank. With every flush, it will slowly release a fresh scent and keep the water smelling clean for a long time. Combine aloe with honey and discover the secret to younger-looking skin without spending a fortune. This natural treatment makes me look 10 years younger. It's a simple DIY method you can prepare in just minutes, and the results will surprise you more than any expensive store-bought cream. Add aloe gel to a small bowl. Aloe deeply hydrates, soothes, regenerates, and slows down skin aging. Next, add half a shot glass of honey, preferably linden honey, which nourishes the skin and has antibacterial properties. Then add half a tablespoon of turmeric, which brightens discoloration and gives the skin a radiant glow, leaving it fresh and luminous. Mix everything well into a smooth, even paste. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or any areas that need hydration, regeneration, and rejuvenation. The skin becomes soft and smooth. It's a natural mask for discoloration and dull skin. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and enjoy results that feel like a professional treatment without leaving home. Recipe for homemade collagen cubes that smooth wrinkles. They improve the condition of joints and cartilage. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Add a few tea bags. Tea contains antioxidants. Reduce the heat. Then add the juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Remove the tea bags. Add 1/4 cup, about 1.8 ounces, of powdered gelatin to the pot. Gelatin is partially hydrolyzed collagen, and its composition stimulates collagen production in the body. Pour the mixture into a container and refrigerate until set. Eat 3 cubes a day to boost collagen production. Your skin will look healthy and firm, and knee pain will disappear. My great-grandmother always kept a pair of scissors under the bed. She said it was an old folk tradition. Whenever life felt overwhelming and she was constantly worrying about money, she believed it would cut off whatever wasn't serving her anymore. It gave her a sense of calm. For me, it's more of a story than something you have to believe in. Combine a simple candle with VapoRub, and you'll discover a truly amazing result. The first time I tried it, I couldn't believe how quickly I noticed the difference. Take a large pan and place 3 plain white candles with long wicks inside. Heat them gently over low heat until they are completely melted. Once the wax is liquid, use tongs to remove the wicks and place them on a board. Add 1 tablespoon of VapoRub to the melted wax. VapoRub contains menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus, which give off a strong, refreshing scent that many associate with relief. Stir thoroughly so everything blends well. Next, prepare a small glass container and pour in the melted wax with VapoRub. Add a few cloves for a warm, spicy aroma that also helps create a cozy atmosphere. Then insert a wick, adjust it to the right height, and hold it with a clip so it doesn't fall while the wax sets. Once the wax has hardened, remove the clip and your candle is ready. When lit, it releases a gentle, soothing fragrance. Since I started making these candles, my evenings have become much calmer and more relaxing.